Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily install and set up the application for your Sony theater speaker on the Android phone. At first we need to go into settings and then we have to go into connected devices. Here we have to tap this gear icon and tap install companion app. Here we do have the Sony BreveConnect. We have to tap install button. And now, after installation, we have to tap open here. Now we have to tap I read the above contents and agree, and start setup. Agree and proceed, agree and start using. Here we have to allow permission for our detecting the number devices. And so the device is set up, portable failure system. Here we have to tap on that. Now we have to download the data. The application will be, the application will download the resources itself, so we don't really have to do anything. And now, as you can see, we have some sort of animation. Yes, I can hear a sound. If you can't hear a sound, you have to tap Set Device again. Here we have to pair and connect, pair. Now we have to click next, and it works. Setup is complete. Now done. Next. We can allow for notifications because they are important. We can ignore the tutorial, and here, as you can see, we do have the app. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.